Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, coming to you from the Campbell's Custom Care Studio.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. You know, when folks are in the industry or maybe off-roading, their vehicle gets into trouble, maybe gets off-road into a ditch or something, Alicia, and they don't put a lot of thought into actually rescuing the vehicle, which is why so many injuries happen every year from vehicle rescue. So what are some of the things that can go wrong when people are trying to get out of trouble?
Typically people end up using what they have on hand, so it can be the trailer ball of the hitch. They'll just put the end on it and they'll just shock load it, and it's not intended for that purpose, so it will shear off and go through the windshield. So you want to eliminate any metal objects from flying back and causing damage.
Yeah, it becomes a slingshot and go through the window and through you and cause injuries or even worse.
Yes.
So how has Ditch Hitch created a solution, and how does it work?
Well, Ditch Hitch has basically made it so that they eliminate all dangerous objects. So the chains coming back, slings with tail chains. So now there's no flying objects. The straps go through the U-bar here. It's engineered, certified to be shock loaded. So you can back up, take a 6-foot run, and just keep doing it. As long as that stuck vehicle moves, you just keep trying, keep moving with it, and you'll get it out.
And here on the Ditch Hitch itself, these only weigh 7 or 8 pounds, and they're made of aluminum, so super lightweight. So how much force can these withstand?
78,000 pounds with a 4-to-1 safety ratio.
This is perfect for folks who love off-roading, but where did it really get proven up in Canada?
It was engineer certified at the University of Calgary by a professional engineer.
And used in the oil fields up in Alberta.
Yes.
So a lot of the major companies up there are using the Ditch Hitch. What have you found from them once they started using it?
Well, they were having incidents constantly, actually, and they went to a no-tow policy. Now that they have implemented the Ditch Hitch, they actually have it in their vehicle recovery solution that it's a Ditch Hitch or a tow truck.
So instead of having to wait for a tow truck, they're able to make the rescue and do it safely, which is the most important thing of all.
Eliminate the incident.
Very good. So what comes with the Ditch Hitch system?
So this is the complete system. It has 2 Ditch Hitch systems. It is engineered certified to Ditch Hitch.
So each vehicle must have one. That's why there's 2 in the kit.
Yes, and then it comes with the fuse link strap. It's kind of the weakest link. The snap trap and the soft shackles comes with 2 of those. You do have the option of the kit when you order that they can do the fuse link strap or the shock load rope.
Why might someone choose the rope over the strap?
Just some people have always used the rope. It's just something they're familiar with, so they have that option to stick with it.
Gotcha. And the snap trap is something that's unique to Ditch Hitch. How does that work?
So the snap trap is a kinetic energy diffuser. So it will absorb the kinetic energy when the fuse link strap snaps back. So you take the fuse link strap, weave it through the snap trap. There's 6 eyes. You kind of just weave it through, placing the snap trap over top of the eye of the fuse link strap into the U-bar.
Gotcha. And then so in the event that the tow strap should actually snap, then it keeps that from snapping back, hitting your vehicle, and hitting anybody that might be around as well.
Yeah.
And we demonstrated that by fraying this a little bit, and you could see that it took that energy and kept this thing from flying and hitting somebody and doing some damage.
Yes.
A very cool system here. And you guys have also safeguarded anybody who might want to get somebody out of trouble. Maybe you're out on the trail or by the side of the road, and you want to make sure that your bases are covered. So you guys have included the checklist as well.
Yeah, so it is a vehicle recovery checklist. There's kind of little items here that you can kind of walk through with the person with the stuck vehicle. You make sure they do not have a bumper mount receiver, that it is frame mounted. You walk through, check everything off, you have both parties sign it, and then this becomes your legal document. So should something happen, then you can take this in and you've saved yourself from any liability issues.
Clearly this system was designed by an engineer who thought of everything. Where do the materials come from, and where's the system made?
So the raw materials come from the United States, and the product itself is actually manufactured in Canada. We try to keep it onshore so we can ensure the safety and the quality of the product.
If I'm using some other system, the snap trap still seems like a good idea. Can I still use it with something besides the Ditch Hitch system?
Yes, it does not matter what system you're using. The snap trap is designed to capture a tow rope, a tow strap, and a winch cable. The only thing that you have to do if you're using an alternative product is to make sure that you take the snap trap and secure it to a secondary location. So whether it be the frame of your vehicle to the eyes on the receiver or a tree, you just make sure it's at a secondary location.
If you're using shackles or a ball hitch, those are not designed to take a shock load. The ditch hitch is. It's the only system that is. You can protect yourself physically, you can protect your vehicle, and protect yourself from liability with the ditch hitch. You can find it at ditchhitch.com. And also, that's where you can look for the son of a hitch for smaller vehicles and UTVs. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by Dragonfire Tools.com and the Motorhead of the Week coming up.